How's it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, kindly smash on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video you guys will be notified. So here in this video we're going to be talking about how you can actually apply for Uscreen affiliate program. So literally you might have heard about what Uscreen is actually all about and how they actually work. So it's just like uh, a Netflix where you subscribe to watch different kind of videos on the platform, and on this particular website you can actually learn different kind of video or content, watch different kind of videos on the platform. So you can scroll out the whole website and see what the website actually all about, and also you can upload your video course on this platform as well as some other video series and some other type of content as well, where you can actually monetize them aside from uploading those videos to YouTube channel. So you can discuss about different kind of content on your page using the Uscreen platform, and as you can see here, so Netflix style catalog, so you can schedule and upload probably by episode or by series. So it just depends on how you actually want to upload your content, and of course you can monetize everything and make money from your audience or your subscribers. So you can also see some chefs as well. So there are a lot of different categories on Uscreen where you can actually upload the kind of content you have on the platform and also be able to make money from the platform. But that's not actually what we're actually here for. So I just want to guide you through how you can actually get started with Uscreen affiliate program, and also you can see the pricing list for Uscreen as well. So you can see fitness influencer, yoga, meditation, online coach, and educator. So YouTubers and all. So be it any kind of tutorial course you actually want to share. So Uscreen is actually here for you to help you to monetize your content. So if you actually want to get started, there is a 14 days free trial for people that actually want to upload their course, their tutorial on Uscreen platform. And also, if you want to get started with the affiliate program whereby you promote Uscreen on your website or on your YouTube channel, so definitely this is the right way you can actually get started with, and also how you can actually be on the right side without you making any mistake while signing up. So they also have the pricing if you kind of like you want to upload a course on Uscreen. So here is the price. So the basic price is $17 per month, and the most popular one, which is $159 per month. And if you want the Uscreen Plus, you can actually contact the support. So that's the annual price, as you can see. So with 20% off. So if you'll be paying on a monthly basis, so this is what you'll be paying. So for the basic is $99, and for the growth is $199, and for the Screen Plus, so you have to contact them to request for a demo and how it actually works before you can actually get started with them. So that is just about Uscreen entirely. And also, if you want to get started with the affiliate program, so all you just have to do is just to scroll down to the filter of the website. So there are different sections there where you have you can navigate from one section to another, and you can see the platform, the examples, resources, and the company as well. So is where you actually come to. So about us, team, why Uscreen, contact us, careers, partners, and affiliates, and cookie statement. So you don't have to get it wrong. Maybe you think partner is also an affiliate. So this is where you click on. So you click on the affiliate section. So then you see where it takes you to. Literally, I've actually applied for the Uscreen affiliate program. So I'll just guide you through the whole process on how you can actually get started with it. So we have got the sweetest deal for you. So help people everywhere monetize their videos and earn a steady income while doing it. So you can then click on the apply now. So this page will load and you see where you can actually fill up some requirement section which they actually ask you about, and you'll be able to answer. These are literally simple questions you can just get or you actually have idea about. So this page actually takes some seconds or minutes before it load. So I'll just wait for it to load, so I will show you how it actually looks like, then you can get started from there. So you can see become a Uscreen affiliate. To get you started with our program, we will need some information first. So click on let's go. So then you click on, you read the terms and conditions for the affiliate programs, and then once you accept, you click on accept, and if you decline it, so this will ask for your name. So you can just put your name there. So then it asks for your LinkedIn profile link. So this is very important. So you can just go ahead to your LinkedIn page, then copy out your LinkedIn page link, then paste it here. So once you paste it, then you proceed on to the next, and it will also ask you for your website URL. So, and if you don't have a website, you can actually provide your YouTube channel link. So far you literally want to promote the program using your YouTube channel, so it will be very easier that way. So either of the two, just know that you have to provide a link to either your blog or your YouTube channel so that they can actually trace it and be able to see if they can actually partner with you. So that's how you can actually get started with Uscreen affiliate program. So this is all I have for you, and there is nothing much about after that application, and they actually check into your either your YouTube channel or your blog to see if the blog or YouTube channel is actually compatible to their needs or want. Then they will decide if they should approve your channel or they should decline it. So that is actually left to them. And I applied 15 hours ago, and up to now I haven't heard back from them. So probably by Monday, I'm recording this video on Friday, so probably by Monday I'll be able to hear back from them. So then I'll know what they are for me, and then if we can actually partner with each other. So this will have for you in this video. If you have any question regarding the Uscreen, you can drop a comment in the comment section below, and I'll reply to it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, as it really means a lot to me. Thank you.